To deliver this new strategy, we needed to upgrade our systems, our equipment, our operating yards, and by delivering training, our people. So what you're looking at are some new systems. This is called the automatic vehicle locate system. We have GPS installed in 39 of our snow fighting vehicles. The colored lines are the tracks that those vehicles make as they drive around our city. Those tracks will show us where they are on the particular routes assigned to them. In addition to just knowing where they are, we will know whether the plow is down and whether the spreader on the back is turned on and is spreading anti-icing or de-icing materials. So all that data is archived, and that helps us answer questions from the public like, when did you treat my street? We can go in to the archive data and say that we treated it on Sunday at 2 a.m. in the morning while you were asleep. Okay? So automatic vehicle locate dramatically improves our situational awareness. Police or fire call in and say, hey, can you get somebody over here? We have a problem. We instantaneously can know which piece of equipment is nearest and can be dispatched. In addition to the equipment running routes, for public safety emergencies, we hold some equipment here at the yard for those kinds of purposes. So many people go regularly to the SDOT traffic cameras on the internet, and we do too. We finally have them down here in our operations center, but in addition to the static view that you get on your PC, we actually have control of these cameras here. We can zoom in on trouble spots. We can pan the cameras and look up side streets, dramatically enhancing our situational awareness. And when you improve our situational awareness, we make better operational decisions here.